Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for limits and continuity. A function fx is defined as follows. So for this case, my suggestion will be illustrate the situation in a real number line. So here we have the value 3. X less than 3. So here we have the function 9 minus x squared over x minus 3. If the value of x is equal to 3, then we have negative 6. Then we have 162x minus 54x squared over the x to the power of 3 minus 27. So that is the situation. Next, determine whether the function fx is continuous at x is equal to 3. So condition number 1, f3. The value is negative 6, so define. Condition number 2, limit when x approaching 3 from the left. So the function will be 9 minus x squared over x minus 3. So if we substitute the value, we will have the indeterminate form. So for this question, the suggested strategy will be factorize the situation. So limit when x approaching 3 from the left. So here we have 3 minus x, 3 plus with the x, over x minus 3. Kindly factor out the negative. So limit when x approaching 3 from the left. 3 minus x, 3 plus x, over negative, we have 3 minus x. Notice that we have the common terms. So rewrite the situation. So negative, we have 3 plus with the x. So if we substitute the value, and we will have the value of y approaching negative 6. Next, limit when x approaching 3 from the right. So we have 162x minus 54x squared over, we have the x to the power 3 minus 27. So if we substitute the value, and we will obtain another indeterminate form. So for this case, my suggestion would be factorize the numerator first. So limit when x approaching 3 from the right. Factor the 54x. Then here we have 3 minus, we have the x, over, we have the x cubed minus 27. Next, factorize the x cubed minus 27. So my suggestion would be make use of the situation where we have the long division. So x to the power of 3 plus with the 0x squared plus with the 0x minus with the 27. Then make use of the situation we have the negative x plus with the 3. So in here we have negative x squared. So x to the power of 3 and then minus 3x squared. Continue. We have 3x squared plus with the 0x minus with the 27. Then we have negative 3x. So continue. We will have the situation 3x squared minus the 9x. Continue. 9x minus 27. Negative, we have 9. So in here we have 9x minus 27. So the remainder will be 0. So rewrite the situation. Limit when x approaching 3 from the right. So we have 54x multiplied with 3 minus x, over, we have the situation in here, negative x squared minus 3x minus 9, multiply with the 3 minus x, which means that the divisor. Notice that we have the common terms. So limit when x approaching 3 from the right. 54x over, we have the negative, multiply with the x squared plus with the 3x plus with the 9. So kindly substitute the value. So in this part, so we have the negative bracket, we have the 9 plus with the 9 plus with the 9. So limit when x approaching 3 from the right. 162x minus 54x squared over x to the power 3 minus 27. The value of y will be approaching negative 6. So we can say limit when x approaching 3 from the left for the function fx is the same for the limit when x approaching 3 from the right for the function fx. So limit when x approaching 3 for the function fx is approaching negative 6 and the limit exists. So that is the condition number 2. For the condition number 3, f3 is the same for the limit when x approaching 3 for the function fx. Then we can say conclusion, fx is continuous at x is equals to 3. Next, kindly refers to the question B. Find the limit for the situation given. So if we substitute the situation, and we will have the infinity over infinity, where we have the indeterminate form. So the suggested strategy will be dividing the numerator and the denominator for the highest power of x for the denominator. So for this question, we notice that we have x to the power of 3. So kindly factor out the x to the power of 3. So limit when x approaching infinity, we have x to the power of 3 bracket 5 plus with 4 over x squared minus 9 over x to the power of 3 over, we have x to the power of 3 bracket, we have 7 over x to the power of 3 minus 3. Simplify the situation. So limit when x approaching positive infinity. So we will have 5 plus 4 over x squared minus 9 over x cubed over 7 over x cubed minus 3. So if we substitute into 4 over x squared, which is the 4 over infinity, so we will obtain 0. So same goes to the negative 9 over infinity, 0. So the value of y will be approaching negative 5 over 3.
If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.